Alright, y'all. Early morning. Amp down. Ball joint snapped. Tie rod bent. But I got blessed, man. Look at that. Shit, no damage to the fender at all. No nothing. Everything Gucci. Ooh, look at that bitch shine. No damage. No nothing. All I got is a little trim in here that shit got bent a little bit. But that's everything on the inside. It wasn't bad. But see that tie rod? That bitch bent. Shit, I'm gonna have to do my stabilizer, my sway bar links. I'm gonna redo them too. That ball joint right there, that bitch snapped. I just got it sitting up in there, just holding. But that mug snapped up top, so. About to do new tie rod ball joints. I'm gonna do the upper ball joint too. I'm about to go ahead and do everything. I'm about to get all this shit done out the way, man. I ain't even about to play no games. Get my shit done. Be back rolling. What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy Motor City Neek, man. I'm checking back with another video, man. Look like I got a haircut, but no, my hair just in braids. But tragic day, man. No, I'm just playing. Snapped the ball joint in Impala, man. So boy joint snap. It messed up the tie rod, bent my tie rod. Also messed up the sway bar links. I mean, shit, the whole nine. So as you can see right here, everything all messed up, man. I'm fixing that. It happened yesterday. Luckily, I wasn't driving, but it's a simple fix. I was blessed. I ain't do no fender damage. I ain't damaged the fender, nor did I damage my my 4G. So I'm just taking you along the journey, man. Y'all already know I'm about to get busy. I'm hands-on, built not bought. So I got the press, I got the tools. I'm about to go ahead and cut that top off, man. New top and bottom, and shit, get busy. Yep, see, there you go. Snap ball joint right there, man. Snap, snap, snap. So replacing all this, man, and go ahead and freshen up. I'm gonna do the top one too. I just was cleaning it off so that way I can go ahead and crack that mug once I get the rivets off. So about to get busy, man. See the tools, shit. Your boy ready for the job. Alright, y'all, your boy back. You see the damage control right here? Your boy done did it, man. There you go. It's out. I done press this joint out. Your boy got it out of there. So now I got it out of there. Shit, on to the next step, which is put a new one in. I'm about to clean all that stuff up. So I'm about to go ahead and clean that up, get that everything nice and fresh and clean in there. Scrape some of that shit down. Make sure once I go ahead and press this new one in, I'm Gucci, I'm good as gold. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up. So I'm about to clean that up. Once I get that cleaned up, then I'm about to work on this top one and go ahead and grind the rivet bolts off, and then I'm gonna put that on there. But I want to get the bottom secure first before I do the top control arm bar joint, and then I should be good to go. But grind don't stop your boy on it. Grab these parts out of here. And I still gotta put the tire rod on too, so man. So now we're in the process, but parts right there. Got that new tie rod in right here. Gotta replace that. Then your boy got these new stabilizing joints. New sway bar links. That's what I was trying to say. So got my new sway bar links and all that stuff. But let me get busy, man. Get back to the grind. Show y'all. Of course, this is what it was. Yep, see, snapped. Snap, snap, snapped. Snap right off. Focus, there we go. And ball joint, boop. Snap. Alright, y'all. You see your boy got the ball joint press right there. And cranked. And y'all see the bottom? That baby pressed all the way in. And no gap. It's all the way in there. Step one over with. Step two, put that one back on there. And shit, let this bitch down. Well, not let it down, but get busy on that. I got the threads for my tie rod, so I know where it's supposed to go. Now I'm gonna do my sway bar links. So check back with y'all in a minute. Don't want to cheat y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all that's what it looked like. See, all pressed in. Damn, focus. There we go. See, all pressed in. All the way to the top, nice and tight. So, about to go ahead and get that motherfucker on this boy, and then strap it in. I just want to show y'all that. I ain't want to leave y'all hanging and not show y'all that. Alright, y'all. Board joint in there, nice and secure and snug. You see it? Oh yeah, pressed in, good to go, nice and snug. The baby in now. So, tie rod, I already did my measurements for my tie rod, so ain't gonna kill my wheel alignment. Shit, I'm losing focus, but yeah, too much going on. But put this tie rod back in there, do that, then this gonna be the last one. Should be good. All right, your boy moving. There it go. Tie rod in there. Plug in there. Nice and sturdy. Man, this gonna be a nice stiff ass rod. New tie rod, new board joint. Now I'm about to do the sway bar links and to the top. What it do, y'all? It's your boy Motor City Neat, man. Still working on it. I got everything done, man. As y'all can see throughout the video, man, I got everything done. But when I say this upper ball joint, breaking them rivets and grinding it down and getting that mug out of there, when people talking about, oh, you put a screwdriver in there or a fork and hit it and it pop, bro, they a fucking lie. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm telling you that shit hands on. Anybody that say that shit is a fucking liar, bro. That shit is not easy. Even with a grinder too, and you grind it down. Look at that. I grinded that shit down and that shit still didn't pop. And on top of that, the ball joint was pressed in there like a motherfucker, bro. And I had to get a fork tool just to get it out. So it ain't easy, bro. Don't think that you about to pop, just get a grinder tool and grind that top ball joint out. Bro, it's not happening. I still gotta chisel it out and get the rest of it, so. FYI, bro, don't listen to none of the shit you see on YouTube or them DIY motherfuckers, because they say anything to make that shit look good and get the views, bro. I'm telling you for real. That shit ain't easy. It's hard. You're going to have to chisel. You're going to have to hit shit 3 and 4 times. You're going to have to break screwdrivers, bro. It ain't easy. I'm letting you know. And I'm about to show you, again, another in-depth look of what I'm going through. Look at that shit, man. Chiseling like a motherfucker, bro. I ain't worried about this. I'm about to clean this up. This ain't nothing but like just residue paint and shit. Just flaking. But look at that, man. Getting them rivets to buzz, bro. And look, I done shaved that bitch all the way down. Shaved it down. I mean, I nicked a couple little spots, but that ain't nothing. Shaved it down, bro. and that bitch just now popping. Like it ain't easy, bro. So I'm about to keep using my pick tool and chisel through it the old fashioned way. With power tools, yeah, this shit easy. I ain't gonna lie. Power tools is an easy job, but manually, nah, bro, this shit ain't no joke. So I'm about to go ahead and get that out, man, so I can put this new one in. But I just wanted to show y'all this and keep it all the way 100 with y'all. All right, y'all. This fucking piece of shit ass fucking rivet shit and bullshit top ball joint, that bitch out, bro. So FYI for y'all DIYs, man, this shit ain't fucking easy, bro. Don't listen to that shit. That shit cap. Look at that. That shit bullshit, bro. These bitches don't come out easy, and shaving the heads off of them don't make it come out unless you got a chiseler. So if you got a chisel, it's easy. But besides that, man, don't listen to that shit, bro. So I'm about to clean this shit up and get this other one in there. All right, Motor City crew, man. Your boy got it in there. Normally I spray this just to make it look good, but I'm tired and I'm exhausted. So as you can see, got them screws in there. And nice and smooth. See them back there. Ball joint pressed in there. It was like a little sleeve garment up under it, so I was able to get that in there first, and then I put the ball joint in there, and it kind of suction into the sleeve, and then these kind of like press it into there. So I'm gonna throw that in there, and then I'm done. All right, Motor City crew. New tie rod, new board joint, new sway bar links, new lower bar joint. Everything in there, good to go. So all I gotta do is throw the rim back on and I'm Gucci. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna probably spray that one day and get that cleaned up. But for now, wheel going back on. I'm tired. So mission complete. Took me a couple hours, but I'm gonna get there and see how I ride. All right, y'all, man. Your boy done finished up. I got the whip all together. As you can see, man, it's the next day, so I'm out in that imp right there. Riding in it, man. Got to keep testing it out to make sure everything good with it, but I ain't had no problems. Ain't no shakes, ain't no damage, no nothing, so I'm about to keep this video going, man. I'm about to do a little car cruising, so see, man, we got some cars in the background. Big 30s. So we about to ride through this Woodward cruising. I'll go ahead and take y'all through some of that, man, and I'll finish this video up. Sweet though, that was different. Yeah. Y'all see that? Ooh, that more sweet. That more cold, man. That's different. Yeah. Ain't that right, man? Sheesh. Oh yeah, y'all see we out here. My dog Dion. Oh yeah. Y'all see his shit? Oh yeah. Nasty. Y'all see that? Ooh, look at that interior, boy. Fortune game, fortune game. Out here enjoying the dream cruise. What up, though? What up, though? This clean motherfucker right here. What up, though? What up, though? What's the deal? What's the deal? This look good, look good. I like the cover. Yeah, that bitch clean. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see it. Yeah. We out here in Post 6 chilling, enjoying the cars. Y'all already know. Y'all see that interior? Oh yeah, big caps. Let's see, it's another one right there. All right, y'all, Motor City crew, man. Your boy back, and it's raining. You see that, man? We got rain, so don't look like I'm about to get too much as far as the dream cruise, man. I mean, I'm riding, but at the same time, man, I don't think too much gonna really come out of it because of the weather. But good thing is, man, I'm back in the Impala. My little man back there chilling, so, man, it feel good to be back in the SS. Back rolling, man. I had it rolling yesterday, and I was just testing it out, and I was feeling good, so most importantly, man, I'm about to just go ahead and shit, keep the day going. Probably ride through this this little cruise a little bit anyways. But first time checking your boy out, be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Join the Motor City crew, man. Stay in touch with your boy, man. So hopefully that DIY with me fixing the my front end, man. I only did the one side of it. I got the other side I'm gonna finish up and do, so I'm gonna go ahead and check that out, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish that out, and once I finish that out, man, I'll be tip-top shape all the way around. But make sure y'all check in with your boy, man. Stay tuned. There's some more car stuff, car footage, car shows, and events coming up, man. But once again, it's your boy Motor City Nick. I'll holla at y'all, man. Peace.